Today I'm in Bradford, and while I was in Bradford I thought I'd pop down here and have a look at Bradford Live, which is the conversion of the old Odeon cinema building into a 3,800 capacity music venue. Now, when the Odeon was here, it was multiplexed into several cinema screens. They have now removed all those internal partitions to return the auditorium to its full size. And the interesting thing is, in the other parts of the building, it's very traditional, yet the auditorium is going to be done a little bit more modern. But it also contains a ballroom, and they've updated all the facilities. I've seen some internal photographs of this and it looks amazing. So as you can see behind me, the building is looking fantastic, and I believe the construction work is nearly done. So when it's done, it'll be handed over to the operators, and I believe it'll either be opening towards the end of this year, but I know they want to get the opening right. So it'll open when it's ready. So that's Bradford Live. Thought I'd give you a quick construction update of that. And remember, go out and support live music. This is Roger from I Can See the Stage from here saying goodbye.